explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with chapter number 3 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is common and proper noun. So in this chapter हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं about the common and the proper nouns, right? So let us read it and find it out more about that. So read the following sentences. तो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं, जल्दी से इन्हें पढ़ते हैं. The girls love flowers. I read the newspaper. Saira loves roses. I read the Times of India. Correct? So यहाँ पर हमने देखा कि कुछ highlighted words हैं. Flowers, newspapers, Saira, roses, and Times of India. What are they? Let's read the description of these sentences now. So the words just like girl, flower, Saira, roses, newspaper, Times of India are names. कि ये जितने भी नाम हमने यहाँ पर पढ़े जो कि ऊपर सेंटेंसेस में हाईलाइटेड है, ये एक्चुअली नाम है, राइट? किसी भी थिंग, पर्सन, प्लेस या फिर एनिमल का, राइट? The words flowers, roses and newspapers are common names. कि जब हम बात करें flowers, roses और newspapers की, तो ये actually common names है, right? वहीं the words Saira and the Times of India are special names. वहीं पर सायरा और टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया जो है वो स्पेशल नेम है जो कि किसी पर्सन या फिर थिंग को अलॉट किया गया है, राइट? Moving ahead. They say the naming words are called nouns. कि जितने भी naming words होते हैं उनको हम nouns के नाम से जानते हैं, right? And they are the names of persons, places, birds, animals or things, right? और ये सभी नाम होते हैं या तो persons के, animals के, places के, things के या फिर ideas के, right? So now they have explained that common nouns are names of common people, places, animals and things. कि जो common noun है वो actually common लोगों के नाम होते हैं, places के, animals के या फिर things के common names होते हैं, right? But they're only the proper nouns are special names for particular places or things, right? They always begin with a capital letter. कि जो proper nouns होते हैं वो actually special names होते हैं जो कि एक particular person, place या फिर किसी thing को allot किया जाता है, right? और ये जो proper nouns होते हैं ये हमेशा एक capital letter से begin किए जाते हैं. Just like if I write one name which is Soumya, right? So यहाँ पर सौम्या is a proper noun. That is why हमने सौम्या का S जो है वो capital करके बनाया है, right? We cannot make it small, right? So जितने भी हमारे proper nouns होते हैं उन सभी को हम capital letter से ही शुरू करते हैं, right? Moving ahead, read some more sentences. तो यहाँ पर हमें कुछ और sentences दिए गए हैं. Let us read them. Sahib is a good boy. Rocket is my pet dog. Sunday is a holiday. Right? So यहाँ पर भी कुछ words highlighted हैं just like Sahib, boy, dog, rocket, Sunday and holiday. Right? Now we have the no more box. Let's read about it. Which says names of special days like Guru Purab, Christmas, Holi and Eid are also proper nouns, right? तो ये सभी जो special days हैं ये हमारे गुरु पूरब, Christmas, Holi और Eid ये सभी proper nouns हैं, right? Now we have some common and proper nouns. तो यहाँ पर हमें common और proper दोनों ही nouns अच्छे से explain किए गए हैं bifurcate करके. Let us see. So यहाँ पर हैं the common nouns and the proper nouns. Let's read them. So first of all, boy, girl, singer and actor. Right? वहीं अगर हम बात करें राकेश, मधु, रवि, सलमान and A.R. रहमान, they are the proper names जो कि इन categories को दिए जाते हैं. Correct? Next we have the name of the city, which is Delhi or Chennai. Correct? Moving ahead to river. Rivers में आता है the Ganga, the Yamuna. Month. Month में आते हैं January और February. Right? Day में आता है Sunday और Monday. Right? So हमने देखा कि actually जो common names होते हैं they are actually the names of a class or a category. Right? कि ये actually किसी category का name होते हैं. But जो ये proper nouns होते हैं they are actually the proper or the special names. Right? जो कि इन classes में particularly दिए जाते हैं. इन categories में दिए जाते हैं. Right? So I hope now you all are clear with the concepts of common as well as the proper nouns. So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all gathered a lot of information from here. So that was all from my side. See you all very soon. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.